Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. This is Mark. Thanks for tuning in. I want to say thanks to all the new subscribers that are tuning into the channel. We're going to jump right into it right now. Now, tonight we'll be talking about two apps that you can use, mobile application that you can use to make free international calling around the world. No matter which country you are, they provide services to this country. Now, I have family and friends in Jamaica, so I need to keep in touch with them. So apart from WhatsApp, these are the application that you can use to make a phone calls back home. Not everybody have WhatsApp. What if somebody have a flip phone, or if your child have a flip phone and they don't have internet or whatever it is, you can use these options to communicate with them. I have take example. I have AT&T, and in my AT&T package they do not provide call credit to call Jamaica, which is unfortunate. If I want to call Jamaica, I'd have to pay like $10 or $20 just for a few minutes. It is not worth it. It is too costly. So these apps are very convenient for me because not everybody is close to the internet at times. People are on the road or they don't have mobile data and you want to reach them. Say an emergency come up and you want to call somebody back home, you can jump on the app and you can make the call. I've used these apps. I've used Reptel app over from last year, so probably over a year now. I've been using that app. I know the Digicel International Calling app from the Digicel phone company in Jamaica have their international app now, and you can make international calls as well. Now, both apps operate similarly, where you have the top up method. You can top up, call, or you can refer people. The referral method give you an incentive. So when you refer a friend, you get $5 call credit. Know that $5 call credit transfer over into like 20 plus minutes of call time. So that $5 is equivalent to 20 plus minutes. It is the same thing on the Digicel app. You get a $5 call credit when you use the referral code. So what I'll do, I'll leave my referral code, so both the Reptel app and the Digicel app, down in the description, so you can click on that link, download the app, and then use it. When you download the link, when you download the app from my referral, you will get your $5. Once you make your first purchase, make a $1 purchase, you will get $5 and I will get $5 because that's a referral method. And then you can use your own referral link to your friends and family and say, hey, use my link to download this, and you can accumulate a balance. So that balance will now be a lot of minutes, so you can actually make calls without even spending any more money. So it actually works. Now I will go ahead and put the user interface for you here, so you can see both of them, the Reptel and the Digicel app, so you can see the difference. Also, the call quality in comparison, because they're both mobile application apps and you can make international calls, so people are going to be wondering about quality. Does it really work? Yes, it works, and it works really good. Now, comparing both apps, I've used the Reptel app for a while, and then I've used the Digicel app last night, even though I have it for over a month now. I used the Digicel app for the first time last night. The call quality for both apps. So I have the Reptel app, I'll put it at 75%. How clear it is. The Digicel app now, I put it at 90% because it was very clear than the Reptel call. However, you can have both apps on your phone. It makes sense to have both apps, so you can use referral codes and get free bonuses. So if you don't have credit on that app, you can use the Digicel app, and it's a win-win for you basically. So use referral code in the description below. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask me. If you used the app previously, tell me about it, tell me your experience, any question at all, you can share that with me. So I hope this helps you. I hope this allow you to call your friends and family back home or anywhere in the world at a cheaper cost or even for free, being that you're going to use referral codes. use referral codes and get the free credit. I do that. It makes sense too, especially if you don't have the money. So I'm going to end it right there. So thanks again for watching JVLOGS. I really appreciate all of you for tuning in. I really enjoy, interacting and commenting and stuff like that. So just leave your comments below. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and share for more JVLOGS. I am out.